My name is Faith Risoke, and since I'm from Popoto, my empako is Abon. I'll ask you empako yawe, and you'll tell me akiki. Let me give you akiki. So I'll say empako yawe, you tell me akiki, and then you ask me empako yawe, I'll tell you aboli, and then I'll say oliota akiki, and you say karungi, and then you can say the same to me. I'll say karungi. Read them in Uganda. I'm living in London. Yes, I was born and raised in London, and I've come here to visit Uganda for my trip as Miss Uganda UK, advocating for vocational skills. Actually, I came twice in 2022. The only reason why I didn't come last year is because I was competing for Miss Uganda UK. But I've been twice. I'm 24. I finished biology, and then I went on to do a real estate internship. And now I'm working in the property industry. We have been making cakes. We baked a cake. The chef was showing us how to decorate. It's actually decorating. So the chef was showing us how to decorate. He first leveled it out to make it flat so he could layer on the different cakes. Then after that, he put on the icing, and he did some piping work as well as making flowers. So I had never made a flower before, but I really enjoyed the process. So now when I go back to London, I'm definitely going to be making more cakes. Am I a chef? I'm not a chef, but I know how to cook. So I know how to cook normal dishes, and I know how to bake, but I actually had stopped baking for a little while. But now I've done this, I'm going to get back into it. I really like the piping, when you can pipe the words, and I found I was quite good at it. So I'm going to continue to do that. Vocational skills, I think it's a skill that everybody should have, because they're essentially life skills. Because even though you have an education, I'm not against education. I think education is very important. However, I think people should also know vocational skill on the side, because sometimes having an education alone is not sustainable. Sometimes people can get jobs, they can even be fired. And even in COVID, we saw that they could be the best lawyer, but everybody's office is closed. So now what happens? So if you have this vocational skill, you can always have something to rely on, and you can make money that way. So like catering, somebody's always going to need food. So being able to cater and be able to serve food. And these guys, they're learning it to a higher standard. So they will know more than other people and be able to create more tasty food. So they will always be in demand, essentially.